If you
Mhm.
look here, you'll see this line gets filled in, then the next line gets filled in, the next line gets filled in, and while you're actually loading, you'll see one line at a time. Now, this concept is called a baseline JPEG. So baseline JPEGs itself are the old way of doing loading images. So what they do now is something called progressive JPEGs. So instead of loading this JPEG line by line, what it actually does is it starts with a very blurry, very blurry picture, and it slowly gets better and more crisp over time. Okay? So this new way, just like how a JPEG is loaded, is now called using what's known as an image diffuser. It starts out very blurry. It just scatters a whole bunch of image pixels on the screen, and it says, you know what? I know I'm going to fill in a cat. I just don't know exactly, and it knows exactly. It knows based on its training how many cats it has seen over the years. And it says, you know what? I think I'm gonna put in a little bit more crisper ears here. I think I'm gonna put a little nose a little bit more crisper here. And it knows your prompt and it says, I want and in this say, for example, I want two cats on a red, blanket. And it tries to fill in the details and it gets more crisp and more crisp. And hundreds of thousands of passes later, it eventually gets to this final version.
Want to create me and other jaw-dropping AI? Go to www.airheadinstitute.ai and start learning for free.